In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email automations in Squarespace. We'll start right from the Squarespace account area. Once you're signed in, head to your main account dashboard. From there, open the site you want to work on by selecting the option to go to the website. That brings you into your site's backend, where we can set up marketing features. On the left-hand menu, find Marketing and open Campaigns. Inside Campaigns, switch to the Automation section. This is where you can build flows that send emails automatically based on what your audience does. Click Create Automation to get started. You'll see a gallery of automation types. Open the selector to browse what's available. You'll notice options like a welcome series for new subscribers and a reply to form submissions. Take a moment to explore these so you know what's possible. For this walkthrough, choose the Welcome New Subscribers option. If you preview another option and change your mind, simply return to the welcome flow. When you're ready, continue by clicking Next. Squarespace now asks you to choose an email template. Open the template picker, look through the layouts, and select a design that aligns with your brand's look and tone. Don't stress about getting it perfect right now, you'll be able to customize it. After selecting a template, confirm by creating the automation. With the flow created, it's time to define what triggers it. Open the trigger settings. Choose subscriber signs up so the automation starts when someone joins your list. Next, decide who this applies to. You can target all subscribers, or you can limit it to specific lists. If you maintain separate lists, select the mailing list that makes the most sense for your welcome series. Targeting ensures people only get emails that fit their interests. Next, set the timing. Open the time delay settings. You'll see choices like no delay, 1 day later, or a custom delay. No delay sends the welcome message immediately. 1 day later gives subscribers a little breathing room. Custom lets you fine-tune the timing in hours or days. Pick the option that matches your strategy. A lot of brands like a short delay to feel natural and avoid hitting inboxes the second someone signs up. Now add the email that will be sent. Select the send email step, then open email details. If you see a prompt to review or edit details, open it again to access everything. From here, go into the editor to style and configure the email. Update the subject line and preview text so they clearly communicate the value of joining your list. Edit the body content to welcome the subscriber, introduce your brand, and set expectations about what they'll receive and how often. Keep the design on brand by adjusting fonts, colors, and imagery. If you decide the template isn't quite right, use the option to switch to a different email while staying in the same flow. Keep your tone friendly, concise, and helpful. A clear call to action, like exploring your best content or redeeming a perk, can improve engagement. Back in the flow builder, you'll see a flow ends marker after your send step. That simply indicates the end of this automation path. For a basic welcome flow, that's perfect. When you're satisfied with the trigger, timing, and email content, go ahead and activate the automation. Activating makes it live for any future signups that meet your criteria. After activation, close the setup screen to return to your automations list. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you refine this. Make sure your sender profile and reply to address match your brand, keep your subject line focused and benefit driven, and include clear unsubscribe and contact details to stay compliant and build trust. You can always revisit this automation to tweak the timing, update the content, or change the targeted list as your strategy evolves. That's it. Your Squarespace welcome automation is live and ready to greet new subscribers automatically, saving you time and delivering a consistent first impression every time.